Okay, so this is asking how can you distinguish among the following groups of bacteria? Cyanobacteria, Mycoplasmas, Phytoplasms, Prochlorophytes, purple bacteria, and green bacteria. So we're going to start off with the cyanobacteria. So, oops. Cyanobacteria. These bad boys go through photosynthesis like plants, are photosynthetic. They are thylakoid membranes. And there's a few other bacteria that are also thylakoid membranes. The pigments found in cyanobacteria are that of chlorophyll A, which gives it the greenish tint. And then you have phycocyan, which gives it the bluish tint. So phycocyanin. This gives the bluish tint, like I was saying. So cyanobacteria can be filamentous or non-filamentous. These cyanobacteria are also one of the first organisms to add oxygen to the atmosphere. They often also conduct nitrogen fixation. Which we'll go over this in more detail later. So cyanobacteria have types of specialized cells. You got the akinets, and then the heterosis. Akinets are specialized spores that form resistant outer membranes. And then you have the heterosis, which are enlarged cells specialized for the nitrogen fixation that takes place in cyanobacteria. That's one of the first bacteria. The next one we have are mycoplasms and phytoplasms. So mycoplasmas, wait, I think I might have, it's mycoplasma, not nito. Mycoplasmas differ from cyanobacteria because they have no cell walls. They have cholesterol and plasma membrane like animal cells. You also have mycoplasmal pneumonia, which is caused by the mycoplasma called Mycoplasma pneumoniae. And then you have another type of mycoplasma called Spiroplasma cetri, which causes stubborn disease and corn stunt disease, which is quite interesting to say the least. Such tiny little things can cause so much harm. The next type of bacteria we have are phytoplasmas. Phytoplasmas are like mycoplasmas in that they lack cell walls. They can also cause plant diseases. This could be like the X disease and peaches, and then aster yellows and elm yellows, which cause the yellowing of leaves. Then you have the Prochlorophytes. Prochlorophytes is fun to say. So this, like the cyan bacteria, are photosynthetic. They have the same pigments as the green algae and land plants. Which are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and carotenoids. A, B, and then you have the carotenoids. This is just like the cyanobacteria, where it has a thylakoid membrane. This bacteria comes within 3 genera, which are Prochloran, Prochloropteryx, and Prochlorococcus. The next type of bacteria is the purple and green bacteria. Ooh. So purple bacteria are photosynthetic. They are a part of the phylum Protobacteria containing the pigment bacteriochlorophyll. Some examples of purple algae is the Theocapsa halophilia, and that's a sulfur bacterium. This can be found in like the salt flats around the world. So green bacteria are also photosynthetic and containing the containing the bacteriochlorophyll. As you can see, there's many differences and similarities among the bacteria. Some are photosynthetic, some are not. Some contain chlorophyll, some do not. Some lack cell walls, some have cell walls. They are very unique individuals. that are studied in botany?